All right, so I guess story time. Last night, coming back from my parents' house, got a flat tire, just rolling into Lacombe here, and thought, oh, maybe it'll take some air. I'm pretty fortunate. I put a fitting on my air tank that I could hook an air hose and an air check up to, and try to see if I could get it to hold air. It wouldn't, so pulled the tires off, left it on jack stands on the side of the road overnight, and today I'm gonna boogie around and see if I can find some of the right size tire to replace them with. This is 100% my fault. I have been putting off doing the ball joints and the bushings like I've been supposed to for a long time, so those tires in the front, they wear out fast. All kind of happens at an unfortunate time when I've got my Suburban apart, you know, doing the gas tank while I was waiting for some parts. At the moment, me and the family are down to the one vehicle. I've got work. Luckily, the kids don't have school today, so the wife doesn't need the car as much, although she still really needs the car, so I had to take it from her. Follow along as I try to roll up some tires and get the car back on the road. Really need to try to get it back on the road tonight, so my wife can have the car, because she definitely needs the car tomorrow. And tomorrow I also have the Edgar Industrial Show and Shine. Super nervous all night last night to leave my car on the side of the highway at the entrance to Lacombe, but it looks like nobody touched it, so pretty safe place. So I think we're gonna be okay. I unfortunately have to abandon it for several more hours as I go into work and have an early start, and then try to get a hold of some tire shops to figure out if I can get a set of those tires. Good times.
You got me down again.
Okay, so good news. Found a shop in Red Deer that actually has my tires in stock, and they can do them right now. So yeah, my tire sizes are like 235, 40, 18s, which not very many of these shops keep in stock, but Canadian Custom Autoworks in Red Deer, they're who I usually buy my tires from, and they're the ones who got the tires. So we are on our way now to get those swapped over, and then we'll burn our way back to Lacombe and put those on and be back on the road. Just gonna run in quick and talk to the guys about dropping off these tires. Okay, so we're just gonna drive around back, drop off these tires.
Like a beautiful day in August. I get lost in your frequency when I'm not recording. Like we could do this frequently and end up like the Lawsons. You knows that I got you like you got me every so often. I'm into your passions like what should I invest in? You don't need a camera like to show off your perfection. Standing in a mirror like damn that ass is cuffing in those jeans and I'm genuine. Now I got you blushing. But understand without you girl I'm really nothing. Take away these lyrics and my mic, I need your loving. Girl, you give me spirit, give me life, give me something more than I'm used to. Like, damn, you snuck a drug in.
Alright, so that was like super quick. It was like 15 minutes. And check out that total. 2 tires. That is freaking cheap. So we're just gonna drive around back and pick up the tires.
Starlights, you my top prize, yeah, but we more like, yeah. Friends turn lovers, it ain't no other. Love like mine, damn you shine like summer. Warm up my winters and fall through forever. Stay at my side, let's watch the seasons change together. Yeah, you got them thunder thighs. Looking in your eyes, give me butterflies. They say girls like you always love a lot, but like them other guys, you know I love a lot. Stir the pot, you know I love to get you hot. Let me show you what I got. I'ma make you spin the blocks. If you loving it or not, you always make me shoot my shots.
Done and done. Alright. Off to Lacombe to get these bad boys put back on.
And then you stopped, and then you said I love you. Had a nigga feeling shocked, so I proceed to hug you. I love you too. When we get together, everything just feels alright. Staring in your eyes, girl, all I see is starlights. You my top prize, yeah, but we more like, yeah.
There goes the wifey after dropping me off. We are ready to roll again.
Take me to another country, let me start.